Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because here I will give you all the update back to back. See, a lot of things is happening, and we can never underestimate the power of social media. See, that is one of the reasons why Progress the Analyst is here to give you all the update back to back. Do you know that the special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the person of Barrister Aloy Ejimako, and all the legal representative, that is all the legal team to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they enter into press briefing. They are really passing through a lot of difficulties. Hence, they choose not to hide it anymore. They want the world to know exactly what is happening. The last court hearing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we all witnessed everything that happened. In fact, nothing was said. No judgment, no adjournment, nothing. It's just like every day they will just want the world to see the face of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu once in a while. And then they will say, okay, just enter our van and we drive straight to the court. We just showcase you to the world. Let everybody see you. We admit that a lot of your fans, a lot of family members have missed you. They just want to see your face. They will just say, okay, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, enter the car, let's go. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will just enter. They will just showcase Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before the world. Then they will return him back to DSS custody. Because whenever Mazi Nnamdi Kanu showcase himself or show up before the world, nothing. The last one was like a mess. Like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have to tell the judge the truth, because we all know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been acquitted and discharged. The case is no more. There is nothing to say. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime, no offense, no to law. So why did they want to surface or suppress him to trial? Why is it that the judge don't want to obey the former court order? This is what prompted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In a simple language, he explained that the judge should just pack off, like he should fold himself or he should wipe his hand out of the case, because the way everything is just going, nothing is going to happen. The world is washing and it's just like a mess. The judiciary system of Nigeria is not really working. They are making caricature of the court. The court no longer obey their own order. What is this? With this simple explanation, the judge just say, oh, it's truth, I don't want to disgrace myself or whatsoever. He said henceforth he is not among, or he don't want to be a witness, or he don't want to be a part of the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. That is how she left. Now, the same court also said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should have access to his legal representative, that is his lawyer, Barrister Aloy Ejimako, and his team, that he should have access to them and they should give them chance, like they should give them yes. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be free to communicate with his lawyer at will. They should plan their next target, and there should not be nothing like recording their speech. The room should be clean. Nothing should be in that room. This is the instruction from the court. And what happened? The DSS keep on interfering into the conversation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyer whenever they visit. As if that is not enough, their normal legal document has been seized by the DSS. These are not my word. These are the words from Barrister Aloy Ejimako from his recent press briefing, where he explained all these things to the world. And he said now he cannot communicate with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freely. The DSS don't even give them breathing space. The DSS refused them entering peacefully to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And whenever they visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are not safe. And he also said that from the last court hearing where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appeared before the world, before everybody, since then, the DSS seized their legal documents. They don't have access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anymore. That presently the thing is now worse. The same court said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should have a quality time with his lawyer. he should stay alone with the lawyer to prepare for trial. Now, if you recap, you will know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu standing up to speak for himself right before the world, before the judge, before everybody, shows that he is sensing a foul play from the judiciary. You know very well that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is someone that is outspoken. And when he keep on hearing about facing trial, because according to the lawyer, they said the judge want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trial to start or to commence immediately. That was what triggered Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to say, no, they can't try me. These are the reason. These are the reason. Now, talking about this trial, something really struck my mind. How will someone really want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to face trial, knowing fully well that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a free and fair trial? That is just the truth, because moving around or seeing everything that is happening, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knows within his spirit that something is really missing somewhere, that there is no way he is going to get this free and fair trial, because everything that is happening already is just like an eyesore. So what do you think about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu having a quiet time with the lawyer for him to be able to prepare for trial? Whenever I heard about this trial, I begin to sense something. Did you really think that even if they give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu free accommodation, free access, that nobody control him with the lawyer, they have their own communication, they talk things over, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is prepared to face the trial? Do you really think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to get like a free trial from the judiciary with everything that is happening right now? Do you think so? Because the lawyer said if they don't have free access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they want free access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be so strong, fit to stand trial. Now, the question is, do you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to get free trial from Nigeria with everything that is happening right now, knowing fully well that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is aware of this? That is why he was able to recall and said the judge have to pack off, because the same court have granted him should be discharged. They were even pressing for his bail release at the time. So what happened now that they are saying that he's going to stand to face trial? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is aware that it's not going to work. So I am bringing everything before you because a lot of people are saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu disrespects the judge for telling the judge to back off. Do you see that as disrespect? Now, the lawyer also explained that aspect, saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, being that he is before the court, that the court have the right to protect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at that given time. That if you feel that you are not getting justice, if you feel that these people they are cheating you, or you are not secured with what you are seeing, he said when you are before the courts, you can able to express yourself and tell the judge how you are feeling, and your case or your issue will be looked into. He said that is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did. So they never see that as disrespect before the court or before the law. Now, my question go back to this trial. Even if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have all the time with his lawyers, as now they are complaining that they don't have time with with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they can't communicate with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at will. Now, if they have the access to communicate with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at will they allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to face trial, to say I am not ready to face trial? Will they allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to face trial? That's my first question. My second question is, will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get a free trial, free and fair trial with everything that is happening right before our eyes? And the third one is that, will they allow somebody that has been discharged and acquitted according to what was said or according to the courts, this person, we see nothing wrong with this person. Why are they reversing the case again? Like visiting the case again, bringing back everything again when the case has been discharged and acquitted. What is really going on? Do you think that with all this, Mazi Kanu will be so bold to say, I am going to stand trial before the Federal High Court? Do you think it's a fair decision? Do you think that is a good one? Just drop your opinion in the comment section, because I am still learning. Why some persons are saying that a case that has been discharged and acquitted, what are they trying again? So the thing is very complicated. So please drop your opinion in the comment section. What do you see about this trial? When they grant the legal representative access to Mazi Kanu at will they allow Mazi Kanu to face trial? If they do, will Mazi Kanu get a free trial? So my beautiful family, let me bring this before you, that this is the latest now on board. You have the right to your own opinion. Everyone do. So drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much, and do well to share this video. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I bring all the updates to your doorstep. Thank you so much, and bye bye.